Okay guys, gonna be changing a trailer tire today with a manual tire changer. I have mine mounted to this piece of metal, that way I can kind of stand on it and get some more leverage. It'd be a lot better to have it mounted to the floor, but I wanted to be able to move it, so that's what I did. So to start things off first, we got to break the bead off here. So there's a piece of angle there, so you've got to move it to where the wheel is locking shit. Okay, the wheel's just on there, and then all you're gonna do is take this, put it there, and push down on it real hard and break that everywhere. Here it is. Just like that. Okay. There you go. The bead is busted. Now we're gonna do the other side. Sometimes you gotta rotate the wheel and hit it from a couple different angles. Okay. You don't want to do that if you got nice rims. Now this is very important. So the side where this is pushed the farthest, where this bigger gap is, usually the front side, you want that side up. If you try to do it with this side up, it won't work, because there won't be enough space for the tire to go down and get it off. And then this little poker deal goes through one of the lugs. See that. Then you take your bar, tighten it down. Okay, now you can take this piece and shove it in there, and you pop that up, and then, all right. I like to use this Turtle Wax stuff, not because it's a good tire shine, but because it's cheap, and I like to kind of spray the edge of it because it makes it slick. So spray. Okay, and then you just alright. Now the bottom side's trickier, so you gotta make sure you get a picture of this. You gotta get the bar. Here, take a look at this. So you gotta shove your pipe down there onto it, and then take. Alright, this is the camera girl in training, so you just gotta do the same thing. Sometimes you gotta try and hold it the first little bit. Oh shit. We'll edit this one. Got it popped. Okay. So then these guys. Okay. Piece of cake, right guys? Now, tire's directional. Make sure you look at that, mine are not. So I'm just gonna throw it on there. But first, I'm going to spray it real good. Okay. Now, okay, now gets a little trickier. So we're going to use this end, and you got this. So you want the angle going the way you're spinning, and on this side of the pipe. But you put that there. Then what I like to do, Once you get that there, I like to take a pair of vice grips and put them on the rim here next to wherever I'm about to spin it from. And that's just to keep the tire there. Once, because what'll happen is it'll start wanting to slide. So yeah, put that there and then. All right. And once you get it on there almost, you then take this again, but this time with the gap down. And you want to take real small bites here, but just real small, up over. And actually, it helps to have another pry bar. So we got our pry bar in there. We're gonna work it. We're gonna take another little small bite. Maybe too big a bite, it won't go. Okay, there we go. This isn't exactly the easiest thing in the world to do. Then you take another. Okay. Another small bite here. And bam. First one's on there. Now, gonna want to get it started again. So, if you don't put these on here, that tire will sometimes just spin around and around and around. It's really annoying. So, there we go. Nice and covered. Then you just do the same thing. See how that's grabbing. Okay. Got her part of the way. Take that. Yeah. Okay. And she's on there. Now you're gonna want to take your tire back off. And then if you have a bead blaster, that's better. I do not have a bead blaster. So what I'm going to do is put this on the ground, make sure it's away from everything. Then I'm going to spray a bunch of brake cleaner or carb cleaner into the tire, and then spray a little trail, light it, and then it should just blow up and seat the bead. Alright, you also want your air compressor ready, because as soon as it seats, you need to be on there putting air in it. Alright. Alright, we got our air compressor hose ready. We got our brake cleaner and our lighter. So you need to stand on the side of it. Really get a lot in there. Then okay, sometimes it doesn't just blow. Woo! Okay. Now you want to hurry up and get it out of the fire a little bit. And then once this air cools off, like say it's already not real tight anymore, so you want to get some air in there so it doesn't come unseated. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Shout out to my pretty camera girl, Kelsey. Okay, bye-bye.